Worried about carbon monoxide and gas leaks in your home? Today I'm reviewing the Steadfast Haven gas and CO alarm, a plug-in detector that claims to show real-time gas and CO levels on a digital display, so you can see danger rising before it becomes life-threatening. According to the maker, this unit shows readings from 0 ppm and alerts you early, unlike many alarms that wait until levels are already high. This alarm is marketed as super simple. Just plug it into a wall outlet and it starts monitoring carbon monoxide and natural gas, with a digital screen that shows current parts per million levels so you know what's happening in your air. They also promise easy installation in 30 seconds and no tools needed. Positive customer testimonials on the official site talk about catching dangerous CO levels that older alarms missed. But real independent feedback online raises red flags. Multiple people on community forums say they couldn't find detailed product specs or manuals outside the sales site and expressed concern that the brand's advertising uses fear-based marketing without transparent testing data. For home safety devices like alarms, accuracy and independent certification matter a lot because carbon monoxide is invisible and odorless. You don't want to rely on marketing claims alone. So, should you buy it? If its real-time display and dual gas and CO detection work as claimed, it could help give early warning. But because there's very limited third-party review or certified performance data available, I'd personally compare it with trusted UL-listed brands that have clear specs and independent safety ratings. Drop a comment below if you've used this model, or if you want me to recommend trusted gas and CO alarms you can buy online. I got you.